Hi guys, let's set up GitLab as a OAuth provider. In the GitLab user settings applications, let's add a new application and set up a name. We will copy the callback URL here. We should keep the confidential checkbox enabled and then add the read user scopes, the only required scope in this case. Let's save the application. Here we have application ID and application secret. Let's continue. Now we can try to log in using GitLab. Here is our temporary application. We will authorize. And here is it, another provider for our user. Right, here is it. That's it. Thank you very much.